So hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to add a material. Well, in case, well, I might have to say, I might just make orange and make a dark orange. Just gonna name it brown. For color. Yeah, this field. Yeah, for yeah, for it has some spots. Well, it doesn't look new. Yeah, for this, yeah, it doesn't look good. Well, that's a good quality, but don't worry. Yeah, don't worry. Just think on it. Let's just do it one. If that gives me a good quality, but it's a little bit, well, it's okay, but that's a good quality. That is the highest quality. And next off is to add some lightning. Well, to the point. Turn off specular. Make the fall off constant. No shadow. I just need clear history. This is sphere. Oh, that's crazy. That's too much. Duplicate. Duplicate that. Well, that works. Well, as a matter of fact, Okay, first of all, the staircase is finished, and the stage. Add another color. Well, yeah, I could change colors wherever I want, so yeah, but I just like the color red, but red's my favorite color, but I changed my mind, but my second color would be blue. The color blue. Oh, I don't have my replacement. Just name the color blue. Okay. Well, don't worry, guys, and we'll be right back.